Want to make viral shorts like this?
So you get arrested for robbing a drug dealer, but you kidnap someone during the robbery, so you get arrested for the kidnapping.
No, I didn't know it was kidnapping. I thought kidnapping was I got to bring it to my house.
As you can see, this channel is getting millions of views just by uploading shorts from different podcasts from YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to automatically generate multiple viral YouTube shorts from any YouTube video. So let's jump in. Step 1 is to pick the YouTube video that you want to make shorts from. For example, I will use this video from Flagrant Clips and copy the link of the video. Step 2, to generate YouTube shorts automatically, we will use this tool called vidyo.ai. To use this tool, you can go to vidyo.ai's website and then sign up for it, and it is completely free, so no hassle. Once you've successfully created your account, it's time to upload YouTube videos and generate shorts from them. To begin, click on the Upload button. Next, simply paste the copied YouTube video link into the provided field. Then click on Start Import. And then you can add any social handles if you want to, but it's optional, and then click on Done. And then it will start importing the YouTube video. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the importing process of the YouTube video is complete, vidyo.ai will automatically generate YouTube shorts. To view these shorts, simply hover over the video on your dashboard and click on Review Clips. And as you can see, it has generated multiple shorts. And you'll notice that each short has been given a title, making it easier to identify them. And you can also generate any custom short clip if you want to. Just simply click on Create Custom Clips. And then add the start and end times from the YouTube video, and click on Confirm. And the short clip will be generated and added to the list. Now to edit the short clips, click on the Edit and Download button below, and now you can access all the necessary editing options. Here you can change the template for your clip. For example, I will use this template. And you can also edit the subtitles of your clips. You can choose different styles for subtitles. For example, I like this highlight each word effect. You can also change the font settings, like size, font type, and alignment, and add effects like strokes to make it look better. And you can also change the background if you want to. You can use either a color or select any style from the stock backgrounds. You can also add elements, such as a logo, outro, image, or video. I will simply add a progress bar and color it white. And if you think some part of your clip is not framed well, in that case, you can use this beta tool called Cut Magic. Once you enable this tool, it will readjust frames with different cuts. And you can also do it manually too. Simply place the playhead where you want to reframe. Then click on the split screen. And then adjust the frame. And you are done. And after you are done editing your clip, you can preview how it will look on different social platforms. And if you are satisfied with the results, you can proceed to download. To download the clip, simply click on the Download Video button. And here, as you can see, you are only allowed to download 720p quality with the free version. But that's fine, as these are only short clips. But if you want to upload in 1080p, then here's a trick you can use. Simply bring in the video to an editor, such as Premiere Pro, and then export it in 1080p quality. Now, even after YouTube compresses the video, it will still be available in HD quality. And now finally upload these shorts to YouTube, and see what happens. If you like this video, give this video a like. And subscribe to my channel for more online money-making hustle videos like these. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.